Nutrition in humans. Today we will start by nutrition in humans. The first topic comes in nutrition in humans. The first topic is salivary gland. Salivary gland. Three pairs of salivary gland secrete saliva. Saliva contains enzyme named salivary enzymes to digest starch. Saliva helps to moisten food, make it easier to swallow and begin digestion of starch in the mouth to form glucose. Now, what is the role of salivary gland? Now, in our body there are three pairs of salivary gland which secrete the saliva. Now, saliva contains enzyme which is named by salivary enzymes to digest starch. This enzyme is for digestion of starch. Saliva helps to moisten food, make it easier to swallow, and when digestion begins, digestion of starch into mouth to form glucose, and it begins to digest the starch to the form of glucose. Now, the second organ in the our nutrition in humans came tongue. It helps to move the food in mouth and mix through with saliva. Tongue helps to move the food in the food pipe and it helps to mix through saliva. Now, esophagus. The food moves down in the digestive tube due to peristaltic movement, the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the muscular wall of digestive tract. Now fourth is stomach. Wall secrete gastric juice which contains HCl. HCl, what does HCl make a role of his? HCl kills the bacteria and the second role of HCl makes the medium acidic. Now the third is mucus. It protects the wall of stomach from the corrosive action of HCl. Now pepsin. It acts in acidic medium and digests protein. Pyloric sphincter. It allows only a small quantity of food to pass from the stomach to duodenum. Now duodenum. It receives the secretion of liver and pancreas. Now liver. It is the largest gland which secretes the bile juice. What are the bile juice function? The bile juice functions are make the medium of food alkaline, influence flat. Now what is the function of pancreatic juice? The pancreatic juice function is contains terpene which is alkaline medium, further breaks down proteins. Now contains lipase that digest fat, contain amylase that digest carbohydrates. These all functions are done by the pancreatic juice. Now we come to our small intestine. Wall of small intestine contains gland which secretes intestine that completes the process of digestion. Now here in small intestine these things take place. Carbohydrates change to glucose, proteins change to amino acids, and fats change to fatty acids and glycerol. Now we come to the villi. Finger-like projection of inner wall of the small intestine increase the area of absorption of food. It is richly supplied with food vessels. Now, large intestine helps in absorption of water. Large intestine helps in the absorption of water. Now we came. Now we come to our digestive enzymes. Now, what are digestive enzymes? Acts as a bioclast and help in digesting food. Now, salivary amylase convert starch into sugar. What does salivary amylase do? Convert starch into sugar. Now, what uh, pispenin do? Protein into peptones. It converts proteins to peptones. Now, what trypsin do? Act in alkaline medium. It converts these peptones to peptides. Now what lipase do? It converts fats into fatty acid plus glycol. What enzyme in intentional juice do? It changes carbohydrates to glucose, peptides to amino acid, and fat to fatty acid plus glycol. Now you can see a diagram of a digestive system. We take the food from our mouth, and this food comes from the pancreas. Then the food comes with the mixing of saliva and uh, cut it down into small pieces with our teeth. It comes to the esophagus. Then it comes to the stomach. Then the liver will secrete a bile juice. The pancreas will secrete the pancreatic juice, and this is a gallbladder. Now you can see here that this is small intestine. You can see this is the large intestine. Large intestine absorb the water, and this is rectum, and this is anus. From anus, the waste particles removed. So that's for today.